Hey guys, week 9 and time flies. I had some problems with an SD card that I bought. Some of the video files were corrupt, so I can't show you everything I wanted, but I still have enough to bore you to death. So let's have a look at week 9. Awesome sunshine. Horrible day yesterday, but brilliant today, so I'm going to open the gate and try to glue the side panels. Can't even look at the camera. According to the weather forecasts, there's some rain coming in the morning, so that will have to do because I can't close the gate yet. I have just applied and thickened epoxy there, and I'm gonna let the wood soak it in for like 10 minutes or so, or 15, and then I'm gonna put thickened epoxy. That bolt is only 4.70 meters long, because that doesn't look like it's going to fit on my workshop, and that's 4.75. Small pins will help to position it. Once it has glue, it will slide all over the place, but if you leave 1 millimeter of the tips on this side, you just put it down roughly where you know it's going to be, and look, it's there. It won't go anywhere. It will also help keeping these panels together. That's how you complicate what is supposed to be a really simple process. It's done now. Today I'm going to be rounding off all the edges on the frames and the side arms, center case, chine logs, all the exposed wood before I coat it with epoxy. Bulkheads and panels are ready for assembly, but as you know I can't do that until I make the mast and the boom. I had some leftovers from cutting the mast boards, and I'm going to use that to make a boom. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, I have enough trouble already without making things up, but that's me. If I can't make things up, get into trouble, it's not fun. And I think I'm going to start with the boom. First I need to level these tables, because this floor here was my backyard, so it's sloping that way and that way, so the water would just drain properly. Catastrophic failure. I just stepped on that and it snapped in half. But I'm still going to use it. That's still going to be part of my boom, because that's a perfect scarf. Well, worst case scenario is going to fail, but I believe the mast is nice and straight. I've got two control lines. One is this blue line inside there, goes all the way to the mast base. Through that line and those control points there, I can ensure that the mast is straight in this direction. Another one there. Another one there. Now vertically I have this piece of wood here, which is half the width of the mast base, and I've stretched the string there. You can see that once I clamp this, I know that point is right on the line. The next one will be as well, and so on. This way, it doesn't matter if the cables are straight, if they're not leveled or wherever, I know that the mast, it's always going to be in a straight line. Now let's glue it. Two coats on that, took 80 grams. So I worked just over 30 hours this week. That's 4 working days. See you next week.